Alright, here today we have a HP PC, and this HP PC is having a Windows issue. With us here, I'm going to teach you how to install a PC, install your Windows into a PC without formatting or losing your documents. So as you watch, yeah, this HP PC. First of all, before we proceed into installation of Windows, what we need to know or carry at the back of our mind, number one, is to know your bootable key. On your HP laptop here, we have a HP laptop present here with us. Our bootable key is F9. While when you go to your 10 and others, we have F11 and F12. But for here today, we're going to use F9 because we are using an HP laptop. So let's proceed. We turn our PC on and you strike your F9 key. You wait. Okay, and you press enter. Now you select your bootable drive, which is USB flash drive, and you hit your enter key. You hit your enter key. Alright, this is your Windows dialog environment where we proceed from here. All you need to do here is just to click next, then install now. Alright, when it gets to this place where we just find ourselves here, you don't have to click here. We have your format, and here we have your delete. So deleting your partition, doing away with your partition and creating a new partition. But we don't want to do with all of this. All we just have to do at this moment, since we want to install a new Windows into your PC without losing your file or losing your file, you just click on your next dialog box and it just takes you to this. Click OK. Here it goes. It begins.